Okay, last week spent £160 in Lidl, £40 per person. This week, let's see, that's the money to remember, £160 for 4 people. This is for 3 people. So first we have lemon chili mint pillows, £1.20. That partners up with Puff Bites. Then vegetable samosa, lunch, lamb samosa, or chicken samosa with mouth. Lamb samosa dad.
It's a David actual shopper.
Peanut punch, £1.10. Dim ond ar gael yn Holmesdale Post Office. Ooh, pistachio waffles.
Okay, Colleen.
Yeah, okay. Peanut punch, £1.10. Well, pop, cola, then need Rio, orange, guava, apricot, mango, passion fruit, sugar. Ac yn hytrach na gwyn, yn lle gwyn Lidl, da ni tonic wine. Tonic wine does not, beth yw'n dweud exactly? Tonic wine does not necessarily mean it has any medicinal properties. On £20. So
£20?
£20. Yn lle £160 am 4 person, £20 am 3 person.
Oh, man,
Winner.
I fel ti wedi